Massive hailstorms battered parts of the southern United States on Sunday, May 18th, with Springdale, Arkansas, at the epicenter of destruction. Residents watched in disbelief as baseball-sized hailstones, some reportedly as large as 5 inches in diameter, rained from the sky, smashing windows, damaging vehicles, and pelting rooftops with the force of falling rocks. Photos circulating on social media show the sheer scale of the ice chunks that pounded communities across northwest Arkansas, while local media confirmed additional hail reports the size of golf balls in Sylvan Springs, Ponttown, Johnsons, and neighboring areas. Accompanied by wind gusts reaching 70 miles per hour, heavy downpours, and lightning strikes, the storms carved a path of destruction that stretched for miles. The severe weather system began early Sunday morning and continued into the late afternoon. More than 8,000 residents in the region lost power, while debris, including twisted metal and building materials, was scattered across Highway 412 in Tone, causing significant traffic disruptions. "This is insane," said one local witness, as videos captured hailstones crashing into neighborhoods. In Springdale, a paramedic described the terrifying moment hail slammed into their ambulance. It sounded like bombs dropping on the roof. When they hit the windshield, they shattered into clusters, like glass exploding, she recalled. Cities like downtown, Silent Springs, and areas between Washington County and Benton County were particularly hard hit, suffering extensive damage to homes, vehicles, and public infrastructure. Tony Town officials reported multiple power lines down and trees uprooted as high winds tore through the area. Skylights and car windshields were obliterated. In some places, streets turned white, as children excitedly collected frozen hailstones, temporary souvenirs from a storm they won't soon forget. But the destruction wasn't confined to Arkansas. Severe weather stretched westward across multiple states. Lisa Mosman, spokesperson for the Kansas Department of Transportation, confirmed that many residents were still without electricity by Sunday evening. Meanwhile, Colorado also faced tornadic activity. Videos posted online showed funnel clouds descending into residential areas, destroying homes and scattering debris across lawns and streets. One resident tearfully said, "All my plants, all my tomatoes are gone. I can't even open the back door." After a weekend of relentless chaos, forecasters say a brief pause in activity may arrive overnight. Monday morning is expected to bring clearer skies and relative calm across much of Arkansas and the surrounding region. The Aranza storm team has declared Monday an alert day, warning that another wave of dangerous storms is likely by late afternoon and into the evening. Although scattered rain showers may develop earlier in the day, meteorologists predict the most violent weather will erupt in the western, northwestern, and northern parts of the state. With more damaging winds, large hail, and even the possibility of isolated tornadoes, experts are urging residents to stay alert and have emergency plans ready. The highest threat zones include areas north and west of Little Rock, where supercell storms could quickly intensify. The storm line is expected to push eastward overnight and weaken by early Tuesday. By midweek, calmer skies are forecasted to return. From Wednesday through Friday, residents across Arkansas and neighboring states can finally look forward to cooler temperatures, lower humidity, and the return of sunshine, a much-needed break from the recent stretch of violent weather.